How to remove tokens on your Trust wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove tokens that you don't want on your Trust wallet. So first thing we do is we go to Trust wallet and then we log in, and then here we go. Now if you want to remove any tokens from these, you can just do this and it's not here anymore. Like this you just swipe like this. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.